A very good morning to dear scholarites. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, adaptation in plants and animals. So the first topic in it is habitat and adaptation. To study about adaptation, you should know about habitat. Habitat is that natural surrounding, or you can say it is that environment in which an animal or a plant lives. Okay? The animals and plants, these are having some special features that help them to adjust to a particular habitat, and these special features help them to improve the chances of survival in the environment is known as adaptation. Means the place in which the organism is living is known as habitat, and the special features that they are taking in their body or their body are modifying in order to improve the chances of survival in the environment is known as adaptation. Okay, now look here, habitat. How many type of habitat are there? Water and land. Okay, now again the land is distributed into 5 type of different habitat, that are desert, forest, polar region, hills and mountains, and grassland. Now come to the adaptation in animals. So first of all, we will do the adapt animals that lives on land. So here I have this chart, and this is a camel. Okay, so this is the animal that lives on land, and many different animals are there which lives on land. Camel lives in a Thar desert, right? So you have seen the desert, how it looks like. There is sand and sand everywhere, right? So the camel have a very special features in order to survive there. Like a camel can survive for a long period of time without food and water because it can store a fat in its hump. Okay, when it feels the scarcity of food and water, it takes that fat from its hump and survive. In that condition, it has a flat paddy feet which helps them to run very easily on the sand. That is also a special feature. Okay, these are having a long eyelashes and eyelids or nose which protects it from the from blowing of sand during the wind coming. Okay, now we will learn about the second animal that lives on the forest, that is known as animal adaptation in forest. So this is a chameleon. This is a chameleon. Chameleon means in Hindi what we say? Girgit, right? This live in a forest. Okay, many other animals also are there in forest. You know, well, scholarites, if animal who are living in the forest are having the chances of danger. There is a very lot of chances of danger. So in order to escape from the predators, this chameleon has a special feature that it can change its color according to its surrounding, and this is known as camouflage. Okay, and in order to protect themselves from the enemy is known as camouflage, and this is shown by the chameleon. Okay, now come to the third, that is animals in grassland. So animals in grassland, here in the picture we have taken the example of grasshopper. Look, this is a grasshopper, okay, and lives in a grassland. So what are special feature in order to escape from the predators? That is, the grasshopper's shape and size is matchable to the grass. Okay, green color and green color, so they can hide themselves easily in order to escape from the predator. Okay, then these are having a long hind limbs, so that it helps for hopping to the grasshopper in a large distance. Okay, now what are the animals that live in grassland? That are deer, zebra, bison, mongoose, giraffe, turkeys, antelope, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, rabbits, grasshopper. These all are the animals which lives on the grassland. Now we will discuss about the animal that lives in a Polar region, that is a very coldy and winter place, right? So this is your polar bear. Okay, so in order to survive in harsh winter condition, what are the adaptation that polar bear has taken? First of all, that they have a thick fur in their body, okay, which help them to warm in so much cold climate. Okay, they are white colored. Okay, why? So that they can hide from the predators between the snow. Okay, then these are depend on the which type of animal these are. Polar bears, they used to feed on the fish that that lives inside the snow or water. Okay, now come to the last adaptation, that is adaptation in water. So adaptation in water, what are modified features the fish are having? That fishes can easily breathe in water, okay, because they can use the dissolved oxygen in the water. Look here, tail, this is the tail which is modified in order to swim swiftly, and also they can change the direction in water with the help of this tail. Fishes have fins and streamlined body which help them to swim in the water easily. This is a streamline. You also call that it is a boat-like shaped, okay? That is known as streamlined body, and it helps in order to cut the water very easily and swim. So these are the modification or adaptation that different animals are having so that to survive in the harsh environment. Thank you.